Everybody comes from a different society, different education system, different culture, different religious beliefs they follow. So it is the fact that they will have different opinions too or different views too. Everybody thinks differently, everybody has different views, and each and every person have different opinions about a single subject. So I have combined short video clips of different people together, and this is how they think differently, and I think you too don't think as the same they are thinking about a particular opinion. And the subject is, what would I do differently if I were my own parent? So these short video clips of different people will help you to give an output of how do people think differently. Before moving into the video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If you do like my videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's move on.
According to me, here I am supposed to consider some points to which some teenagers are often not satisfied by their parents.
कि बच्चों को जो है पेरेंट्स को समझने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो वो इसलिए है कि आप देख रहे हो आज के टाइम में सारा काम जो है फ़ोन से ही हो रहा है। तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे आ रही है? आप कोई भी आप देखो क्लासेस होती हैं तो बैक टू बैक क्लासेस होती हैं, तो वो 4-5 घंटे की होती हैं। तो पेरेंट्स को क्या लगता है कि कितना बिजी है हम फ़ोन में, तो उन बहुत थोड़ा सा टोन भी देते हैं कि फ़ोन इतना यूज़ मत करो। तो बच्चे थोड़ा सा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फील होते हैं कि क्या है यार, क्यों इतना टोन दे रहे हैं।
It's a very absurd thing, and I don't think I ever have really thought about what I would have done if I was my own parent.
Most of the children think that whatever they are doing, they are right. Let me show you one picture of a father and a daughter. Her father is asking from her daughter, "Hi sweetie, how was the school today?" Then the daughter replies, "You can read all about it on my blog."
Behavior. See, man changes as he progresses in knowledge. Okay, and there are various elements which causes generation gap. First, like modernization. Modernization is the major root cause of generation gap. Like men themselves modern by aping Western fashion styles and discarding the Asian culture and ethics and values, and they think they are modern.
If I was a parent of myself, I would have allowed myself very different things and same things which my parents have allowed me. Like I would have allowed them to wear any fashionable clothes they want, any mascara, any lipstick, any eyeliner they want. I would have never
I would not compare myself with someone else because it's quite depressing.
According to me, here I am supposed to consider some points to which some teenagers are often not satisfied by their parents, like sending their child on trips with their friends. So if I were a parent, I will not send my kid anywhere till she is 23. I'm using she because I am my parent. But yes, I will allow her for the night outs depending upon where she is going and with whom. And most importantly, I would be a friend to my child and ensures that she wouldn't feel judged while talking to me, like what would I think about her if I found out she is going out with someone. Instead, I would gain her confidence that whatever happens to her, I will stand by her side, I will examine my kid from the very beginning, and the day she is doing activities, that what are her hobbies and interests, and provide her best tuitions in the hobbies and interests, of course, so that she can do most out of her life. And lastly, I will never judge her with anyone. I hope I all answered it well. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Isha. The question was, what would you do if you were your own parent? So one thing that I would definitely do was I would not compare myself with someone else because it's quite depressing, and somehow it disturbs our self-worth.
तो आज का हमारा थीम क्या है कि बच्चों को जो है पेरेंट्स को समझने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो वो इसलिए है कि आप देख रहे हो आज के टाइम में सारा काम जो है फ़ोन से ही हो रहा है। तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे आ रही है, आप कोई भी आप देखो क्लासेस होती हैं तो बैक टू बैक क्लासेस होती है तो वो 4-5 घंटे की होती हैं, तो पेरेंट्स को क्या लगता है कि कितना बिजी है हम फ़ोन में, तो वो थोड़ा सा टोन भी देते हैं कि फ़ोन इतना यूज़ मत करो, तो बच्चे थोड़ा सा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फील होते हैं कि क्या है यार, ये क्यों इतना टोन दे रहे हैं। पर आपको ये चीज़ समझना होगा कि वो क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हैं। आप ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको समझने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है पेरेंट्स को, या फिर पेरेंट्स को आपको समझने में प्रॉब्लम, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि वो ना टाइम चाहते हैं आपसे। आप देखो अगर टाइम नहीं, अब तो अब ये है कि पेरेंट्स भी घर पे हैं आपके साथ और आप पूरे टाइम फ़ोन में लगे रहोगे और दे आर लाइक कि आप चाहते हो कि वो टीवी देख लें और उस टीवी देखने के बाद फिर से वही रूटीन रहे डेली, तो ऐसा नहीं है। वो पता है क्या चाहते हैं कि वो थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहते हैं कि उनके बच्चे उनके साथ बैठें, थोड़ा सा बात करें। आप कंसल्ट करके देखो पेरेंट्स से कि हाँ पापा क्या चल रहा है, हाँ मम्मी क्या चल रहा है, चलो मैं आपकी हेल्प करवा देता हूँ। ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आपकी 24 घंटे क्लासेस लगती हैं, तो ऐसा है भी नहीं, सीरियसली मैं बता दूँ आपको। तो ये है कि आपको पेरेंट्स को समझना होगा, और अगर पहला आपको करनी पड़ेगी, इनिशिएटिव लोगे तो ही इनिशिएटिव करने की सोच भी सकते हो आप। तो हमें प्रॉब्लम को समझना होगा कि प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे है। आप पेरेंट्स को टाइम दीजिए, पेरेंट्स आपको समझेंगे। और ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि कोई समझता नहीं है, आप ये बोल नहीं सकते कि हमारे पेरेंट्स में समझते ही नहीं है। आप टाइम दीजिए उनको, वो आपको ज़रूर समझेंगे। तो इतना ही मैं आपसे कहना चाहूँगी कि टाइम लगता है किसी को भी समझने में, पर हर कोई समझ जाता है। और पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को ना समझे हैं ये हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स ही हैं जो अपने बच्चों की बातों को बिना बोले ही समझ जाते हैं। आप ये देखो, आपकी नीड पूरी करते हैं बिना बोले, तो फिर आपको कैसे लगता है कि वो आपको समझेंगे नहीं। और थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है बच्चों में भी, वो पेरेंट्स को नहीं समझ रहे हैं, पर आपको भी समझना होगा उनको कि वो आपसे क्या चाहते हैं। और मैंने आपको बताया है कि वो क्या चाहते हैं, वो आपसे सिर्फ टाइम चाहते हैं। थैंक यू ऑल।
Today we are discussing and putting our thoughts over the question, describe how would you feel if you were your parent and what would you do differently. Okay, before starting the question, I just want you to understand that from where this question has arisen. The term we oftenly used, generation gap, when conflict arises between parents with their teenagers or children and children with their parents. The most common term everyone used, that generation gap, gradually widens due to faster social change in thinking and behavior. See, man changes as he progresses in knowledge. Okay, and there are various elements which causes generation gap. First, like modernization. Modernization is the major root cause of generation gap. Like men themselves modern by aping Western fashion styles and discarding the Asian culture and ethics and values, and they think they are modern, but they are still old-fashioned. See, men feel insecure in this dilemma because they have to not expanded their mind and developed their mind according to their environment. They are just adapting their environment, not accepting ourselves, their own environment, their own family background. People often changed their environment more quickly before learning how to change themselves. And other elements are materialism, knowledge explosion, social change, media, and etc. So now there are common complaints of the younger generation is having from their parents, like I do not choose my friends, I do not have enough pocket money, I do not go for night outs, so my parents are always suspecting me, and I cannot wear the clothes I want to wear. So these are the common complaints every younger generation is having from their parents. And there are some complaints parents are also having from their children. They do not understand us, they do not understand the family condition, and they do not spend money, they spend money unnecessarily, and they think we are their enemies, and they think the children think that their parents are old-fashioned at home. And these are the some common complaints every parents are also having from their children. Okay, now all these things are expanding generation gap between parents and children, and this social changes. Okay, now come to the question, what I do differently if I were a parent. The first and foremost thing I definitely do if I were a parent, I keep a friendly attitude towards my children, because friendly attitude strengthens your relationship, and it boosts up a confidence of a children. And second, the most important is the communication. Communicate with your children. I definitely communicate with my children over the things like how was their day, how's their way in their life, and what was their thought process about their surroundings, about their friends, and what they want and what they are liking. And the third one is avoid open criticism. This is the most important. Like, avoid open criticism. Everyone wants praise and not criticism, and that's the human nature. So if my children create any issue over something, and I don't like it, I do not criticize him publicly. Instead, I tactfully correct their mistakes. Fourth one is bring the world with your children eye, and vice versa. This is the most important. You should see the world, see the surrounding with your children eye, and children see the surroundings, the environment with their parents' eye. And there is the most important thing in every relationship. This thing should acquire space. It is very necessary to avoid suffocation. There's a saying, live and let live. I think one should having a breathing space too. Even I also want some alone time, some personal time for myself without any disturbance. Even my parents too. I don't want any disturbance. I just want some time for me. And the last and the important, like we expect from others, they're always a vice versa in the things. If I need something from my children, first I have to provide them. If I want them to they share their secrets with me, first I have to share my secrets with them. So there are things which build a kind of relationship, a kind of trust between parents and children. So this is it, and I hope you all get it. Thank you.
First of all, I will tell you how the generation gap between parents and children is increasing day by day. Most of the children think that whatever they are doing, they are right. Let me show you one picture of a father and a daughter. Her father is asking from her daughter, "Hi sweetie, how was the school today?" Then the daughter replies, "You can read all about it on my blog, Dad." They never listen to their parents. They always tell their parents, "You belong to the old generation and you don't know anything." That's why the gap between them is increasing. Our parents knows very well that what is right or wrong for their child, but children don't listen to them, due to which some students fail in their life. The only solution for this problem is always listen to your parents, share your views, and talk to them like a friend. And if still your parents are not listening to you, then you can take help from your relatives or neighbors or a friend. As a parent, I would want a child to become a friend first, and they can ask from me anything and can share their secrets too. I don't want them to hide their feelings and emotions. I will always listen to them and try to solve their problems. Thank you.
Is what would I have done if I was my own parent? So first of all, this is a very absurd theme, and I don't think I ever have really thought about what I would have done if I was my own parent. And the angle of this camera is really bad, but I don't know how to hold the camera, so if you can help me please. So what would I have done if I was my own parent? I think the one problem I have with my parents is that they judge me a lot. They judge me on the basis of what I do. Sometimes we just do things because we want to do, and there is not much intention put into it. So I would not judge my kids on the basis of what they are doing. I would let them just.
If I was a parent of myself, I would have allowed myself very different things and same things which my parents have allowed me. Like, I would have allowed them to wear any fashionable clothes they want, any mascara, any lipstick, any eyeliner they want. I would have never taunt them, or I would never stop them. And if I was a parent of myself, I would have teach them to very much logical. I would have teach them that emotions are not only the ingredient you should have in your life. You should have also met the word practicality and be more logical. And I would have teach them to be a leader of their life, to be self-confident. And I would have allowed them to learn any skill. My parents have also allowed me, but not in the very early and initial stages. And I would have allowed them to learn anything from the initial and early stages. And I would have allowed my children to take the school breaks, because I know they would be have many mental breakdowns, like breakups and any hesitation. And I would have allowed them to do anything they want, and I would also have teach them the lesson self-love. I know you cannot teach anyone the lesson of self-love, they have to learn them by self. But then also I would have make them meet the word self-love. And if I was a mom of myself, I would be open to more. I would be more open to them. Like, if they want to share anything with me, they can surely give. If they want to say something, if they want to discuss about their like talking about self-love, I would have teach them to love their own body, to maintain their peace, to not bully anyone. We all have faced bullies in our school, somehow, but I would have teach them to be self-confident and to not be depressed if someone says something bad about it. And many other short quotes I would have tell them. Kindness is the best virtue. Knowledge is the only treasure that no one can steal from you. And always check on your actions and don't be a people pleaser. First of all, do help of yourself, then others. These quotes I would have tell them very much in a fine. Now these are the things that I do differently from my parents.